Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to T-Mobile phone 6. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both smartphones and install completely free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here next to Send on your T-Mobile. Then finally click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, select Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files that you wish to transfer and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, click on Send, and tap on Got it in this pop-up. So sorry, misclick. Then on your T-Mobile, click on the best option for you, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to input key on T-Mobile, choosing while using the app or only this time, and then pointing our camera at this code. Or we can input this key over here, we have a lot of time to do it. And tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!